Here I have ALCATEL1, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off front camera mirroring effect on this device. So first let's open camera, then switch to the front camera, then tap on the gear icon to access its settings, and here you have mirror camera. Just disable this feature here and your front camera photos won't be mirrored anymore. Let me show you an example. And as you can see, these both photos made like this. They are mirrored. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.